Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. So I posted on Instagram, I found this recipe online. I love watching, I think her name is Laura Vitale. She has like a cooking show on YouTube, and I saw these lemon cheesecake cookies and they sounded delicious, and Easter is this weekend, so I decided it was the perfect time to try to make them. So when I asked you guys on Instagram, a lot of you guys voted yes. You wanted me to vlog this so you guys could see the recipe, see how they turn out. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. I'm going to get all the ingredients organized. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome, and I'm so glad you're here. If you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. But let's get right into these cookies. Okay, so first of all, don't worry, I will have the recipe, everything listed down below in the description bar with all the amounts. But I'm gonna show you guys, starting with this bowl, how we're gonna be mixing everything together. So we're doing the cream cheese, the butter. Really, these aren't healthy. These are the times I wish I had one of those fancy mixers. That was a big mix without a mixer. So you might want a mixer for this. Next, I'm gonna add an egg. Make sure no shells get in. A little bit of vanilla. And then we need lemon zest, which you know your girl also doesn't have a zester, so we're gonna improvise and we're gonna like mince this up with a knife really, really finely. You guys, I'm really impressed the zest I just made with a knife. That probably was dangerous, don't do that. So once the liquids are all mixed, and I'm not gonna lie, that was really hard without a mixer, so I actually put it over a burner on the oven while I was stirring it to get the cream cheese and the butter to kind of soften up and melt together. It didn't cook anything, so it worked. Now we're adding all the dry ingredients. So first is the flour. You're adding an entire box of a YOLO instant lemon pudding. Now this is a great time to read the directions before you do this, because I was only supposed to put a quarter cup of pudding in there. So we're gonna eyeball it. We're gonna try to remove some of the pudding and see what happens. You guys wish me luck, because I'm eyeballing this, trying to remove some of the pudding. Wish me luck. I don't like following recipes very closely anyways, so we'll just see how this one goes. And then the last two ingredients are powdered sugar and regular sugar. And I did check the amount on these so I don't completely screw it up. So this dough is super sticky, but let's just hope I didn't f it up too much with the lemon pudding debacle. I never like to follow recipes exactly, so I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice, because why not? Should we taste test? Because I kind of want to. I feel like it could almost have a little bit more lemon to it, so I'm gonna add a little bit more lemon. I want more like real lemon flavor. I want these to taste fresh, so make sure you're not dropping things in there. I feel like anytime I make something, I always change the recipe a little bit myself, so I'm fine with it. Okay, so I'm covering the bowl with saran wrap. You guys can see it's this really pretty, like pastel yellow, really sticky dough. I taste tested it again, and I wanna say, like, I feel like the fresh lemon juice is gonna be a game changer. I feel like it's gonna make it a little bit better, because I love fresh lemon. So this is gonna go in the fridge like this for a little while we are getting everything ready. I'm gonna set up the oven, the pan to bake them, and all that stuff. Okay, so my oven is ready. This is chilled. I'm going to be using a spoon to get about a tablespoon of the dough out here on a time. It's gonna be a little sticky, so I'm going to dip this into flour, and I might put my fingers in the flour because I'm gonna kind of press them down when I get them on the parchment paper here. You guys will see in a second. But don't go too crazy with the flour, because from what I saw in the video, if you had too much flour, it can fuck it up. So I've got a little bit in here. I'm gonna scoop out some dough. I've got it right there on my parchment paper, and then the recipe said just to kind of press it, but to not flatten it all the way, just to kind of press it down so it's a little bit spread and not just like sticking up in the air. This actually isn't as sticky though as I thought it was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be like way stickier. I don't think I put enough in that little guy. So I'm just gonna keep going, taking about a tablespoon and then pushing them down on the parchment paper just so they're a little, just kind of like a little smushy button on there. So I'm gonna fill as many as I can on this sheet. I'm probably gonna have to do this in a few batches because it said it makes a couple dozen, which that's a lot of cookies. So I'm gonna get that done. I'll show you guys what it looks like before I put it in the oven though. All right, so here is what they look like. I don't know how many I fit on here, 6, 12. So I have 17 on here. I just kind of fit them on however they go. So we're gonna pop these in my preheated oven for 10 minutes. And I'm gonna put those in the oven. I want to show you guys. I got these cute little Easter like half egg plastic baskets at the dollar store. So I think I'm gonna put them in here. And then I just got some yellow napkin from the dollar store as well. And I'm gonna put this inside of it so I can lay the cookies in and it'll look really cute. I'm taking these to Easter at my mom's, and then I'm also gonna give Andrew some to take to his family as well when he goes earlier in the day. But like, how freaking cute is this? And this was $2 right here. Don't neglect your dollar store. You can find the cutest, I swear to God. Can't get in there. You know I'm gonna give you a bite of these when we try them when they're done though. Please don't get dog hair in my bowl. Okay, so I know you're not supposed to like open and check on things in the oven, but like they have a couple minutes to go. They're really puffy and airy. Oh my God, that's so good. And it smells amazing. The recipe said to not overcook them and that they may look like not cooked all the way. You don't, like they don't get golden brown or anything like that. These are probably super close to being done and they look delicious. Okay guys, so these have been in for about 10 minutes. I'm not sure why that's smoking so much, but we're gonna get these out. Please don't tell me I burnt the bottom of these and that's what the smoke is, because I'll cry. I'm not sure why my oven just looked like a forest fire when I opened it, but these are absolutely perfect. They're brown on the bottom. Let me see if I can show you guys. They're brown on the bottom, so they're not burnt. See how they almost like don't look cooked enough, but if you touch them, they're definitely cooked. And the recipe said make sure to not overcook them. So these look perfect. So I'm totally only in this room because it looks very aesthetically pleasing and it's cute to have the fur in the background, right? It's very spring, it's very Easter. So I'm taking some of this powdered sugar and I'm just gonna sprinkle it on the top of the cookies. And I'm gonna do a little bit more because everybody loves sugar. And then I'm gonna pop these in this cute little basket. Oh my God. How adorable is this gonna be? But here are the final little babies. They're so cute. I think this is so cute. This is so perfect for spring, Easter. If you love lemon, I cannot wait to try these. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm so excited to try one. They are so light and like chewy. I'm gonna have to hide these from Andrew because he's gonna try to eat all of these. So these are our lemon cheesecake cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below if you want to check this recipe out. They are so easy, so good, so definitely try them. I'm usually more of a cooker than a baker, so this was kind of fun, and maybe I'll play around with some more baking recipes on here. We'll see. You guys always comment on my Instagram that you love seeing the things I cook, my recipes. You guys know I love to cook and eat. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more of these kinds of videos. I had a lot of fun doing this. Maybe I'll have an entire like cooking show playlist on my channel. Who knows? I wouldn't hate it. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys are following me on all my other social media so you do not miss anything, especially on Instagram. That is where I post the most. I will have my face on the screen here per usual. If you click it, you will be subscribed to my channel, and I will also have some of my other videos for you guys to check out as well. Make sure you guys join me on Facebook. I just created my Facebook group, Her Best Fucking Life, from the podcast. So join me there for all things fun, light, laughter, and female empowerment. It's an amazing group of women. I launched it a few days ago and we already have over 200 members in there, so it has been been incredible to see all of you amazing ladies joining. But I think that is all I have to say right now, so until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.